So as I said, my first assignment was in Portland, Oregon, and I worked at a very large facility that's now about 800 beds. And I worked at a 60 plus bed cardiac facility. Oh my goodness, the stuff I saw and learned there. I would have never dreamt in a million years in my little cozy country hospital that I would be doing and seeing the things that I saw there. We got to take care of a couple of famous people there that frequent the Portland area. And because we're a leading cardiac facility in the area, we do a lot, that facility does a lot of cardiac procedures, open hearts, catheterizations, several interventions. And one day during a very extensive Code Blue or Code 99, whatever you call it at your facility, on our floor, they actually opened the chest up and did a lot of procedures right there. It was about the most amazing thing I'd ever seen. So the experience of going from a 60-bed facility to, well over 600-bed facility was like a whole nother year of nursing school, really. You just don't see that kind of thing in the small town hospitals. I think that my education and my experience and my exposure to things just probably increased thousandfold, definitely. So that's one of the biggest benefits to becoming a traveler, is that you see things that are outside of your realm, perhaps outside of your knowledge base, and definitely you're exposed to policies that's sometimes you can tell that they're better than what you've been used to, and sometimes they might need a little work. But I think that visiting different facilities and hospitals, you kind of get to see the good, the bad, and the ugly, and in each one of them. I think someday if I go into management, I'll be able to kind of pick bits and pieces from the different places that I've worked, things that I've seen that were very positive and worked for that facility, and then perhaps some things that maybe needed improvement. So I think the experience and being able to compare facilities, whether it's small versus large or east versus west, I think there's a lot of advantage in that for your career.